Hey, what's up guys, it's Sam from BSG Tech with another quick video. In today's video I will be explaining how you can do a factory reset with a hard reset on any Samsung device. As you know that there are two types of Samsung devices available in the market. One of them are with the home buttons, and the second one is without the home button. The one which comes with the home button, they normally have these key combination: volume up, volume down, home button and the power button. The one which does not come with the home button, they have a Bixby button instead of a home button, then volume up, volume down and power button. So first thing first, we will do a factory reset on the phone with the home button using these three key combinations. You don't have to worry about any software, whether you have Android 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. It works exactly the same way. So on one of these smartphones which has the home button, power button and the volume up and down button, you have to hold home button, volume up button and power button for at least 7 to 10 seconds till you see an Android logo and with exclamation mark, as you can see. And now you are into the recovery menu. From here you have a couple of options. If you click on wipe data factory reset and use the power button and then scroll down all the way to yes, delete all the user file data and click on the power button, it will basically perform a factory reset on this device. Remember guys, if you perform this, you lose all your data. For devices without home button, first thing you need to do is turn off the device. For example, we have an S9 now, and then instead of holding the home button, once the device is completely shut down, you have to hold Bixby button, volume up button and the power button. So basically it's a combination of three keys. Remember guys, Bixby button, volume up button and power button. So you have to hold them and then you will boot into the recovery. You can do the same process. Reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ATB and then wipe data or factory reset. So that's how you can perform factory reset on any Android device regardless of the Android software version. I hope you have enjoyed this video guys. If you have any feedback or comments, do let us know in the comment section below. See you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.